What up, guys? If you are new to cryptocurrencies and NFTs, you must have heard of Metamask wallet. In fact, some of you already have it installed on your phone, but you don't really understand how this thing works. So in this video, I'm going to be explaining to you what Metamask is and show you a step-by-step guide on how you can install and set it up on your mobile phone as a beginner. So if you're interested, you need to stick to this video till the end. Alright, before we start the installation, we need to understand what MetaMask is. Most of us just know it's a crypto wallet. Okay, yes, fine, it is a crypto wallet, but what is a crypto wallet? Crypto wallet is a personal key that enables you to store cryptocurrencies or interact with the cryptographic world. Now, with crypto wallets, you can store or transfer digital assets like NFTs and cryptocurrencies. So MetaMask is a crypto wallet and it was designed for the Ethereum blockchain, which is the most diverse blockchain that's ever existed. So now MetaMask is also available on Android and iOS and can be used as an extension for web browsers like Google Chrome, Brave, Firefox, and Edge. Yes, so now quickly let's go to the App Store and I'll show you step-by-step guide how you can download the MetaMask wallet from the App Store and also install it on your phone right away. All right, let's go. All right, here we are in the App Store. I'm just going to type MetaMask in the search box right now. All right, then you make sure you are selecting the real MetaMask. So you make sure you are the MetaMask you are selecting on the App Store is the one with the fox head. That is MetaMask right here, right now. You have to click on install and you are going to download it on your app. I've already installed mine. Sorry, I've already downloaded mine. I'm just going to click on open right here and I'll be showing you guys step-by-step guide on how you can set up your application, your wallet. All right, so you click on the get started button right here. Now on this page you are going to see import user secret recovery phrase or create a new wallet. We are going to be creating a new wallet because this is a new wallet we just downloaded. I'll be showing you how to use the upper option later on in this video. So let us go. Click on create a new wallet. Alright, so once you get here, you need to click on agree so that you can go to the next stage. If you click on no thanks, you won't be able to continue with these procedures. So click on agree and you go to the next page. Okay. Alright, so you need to check this box over here and you need to scroll completely down for the accept button to be active. So once it's active, you can click on accept and you'll be going to the next page. Okay, let's go. Alright, so once you get here, you will need to create a password. Make sure you are creating a password that you can always remember. So you'll be putting the password in the first box and you confirm it in the second box. So let's quickly create one right here. Alright, so after creating your password, you have to check on this box over here. Then you click on create password. Then you wait few seconds. Then this page comes. Then you can, okay, let's click on OK. Click on OK over here. If you're using thumbprint, it's going to work. All right, now you come to this page and this is where it gets very serious. You will need to back up your wallet address. You need to back up your wallet, secure it very well. So the next page, what you're going to be doing, you have to go and get your biro and a paper where you're going to be writing down some 12 recovery phrase. Now these recovery phrases are very important with your wallet. With this recovery phrase, you can have access to your wallet in case you misplace your phone or you don't have access to your phone anymore and you want to recover your wallet. You will need this recovery phrase to do that. So get a pen and a paper and you have to write it down. Then make sure you have again a pen and paper. Then you can click on the start button. And the next thing you have to do over here is also you have to click on the start button again. Now it's going to tell you to get ready to write your recovery phrase. So you have to click on this view, which is over here. Now this recovery phrase is very important and shouldn't be shared with any third party. You are the only one who is supposed to have access to this recovery phrase. If any other person has access to this recovery phrase, then your account is no longer secured. Your funds are no longer secured in that wallet. So that wallet will be compromised at any time. It's already compromised. So the recovery phrase are the only key. These are the 12 recovery phrase you can only use to recover your funds from your wallet anytime, any day. So you're not supposed to show anybody. I am showing you mine because I'm not going to use this wallet for anything. So I only created this wallet for this educational content. So I'm never going to use this wallet. That is why I'm showing you the 12 recovery phrase. So do not share with anybody. Do not show yours to anybody. It's for you alone. Alright, so once you finish writing all the recovery phrase, you have to click on continue. Then a page like this will come up for you where you are going to write them one after the other just by selecting them according to the order it was when you wrote it. So you have to select every other one. Then when you finish, you just have to click on complete backup and your backup will be completed. Then you can get into your wallet. Alright, now click on complete backup. Okay, yeah, now congratulations, your wallet is all set up. So right now we've just finished downloading the application and installing the Metamask wallet on our phone. Now everything is all set up. This is how you can set up your Metamask wallet if you've never installed it once. Like I said, it was designed for Ethereum blockchain. That's why once you get into the application, the first crypto you're going to be seeing is Ethereum, and you can see the Ethereum network over here. So this is the simple steps you need to take in order for you to download, install, and set up your Metamask wallet on your mobile phone. Alright, so in the next video I'll be showing you guys how you can fund your account and use it to start making some transaction, how to fund it, how you can use it to make transaction with different blockchains and so on. So if you like what I showed you in this video, click on the like button. You need to give this video a thumbs up, like this video, and share with someone that you know wants to install Metamask on his or her own mobile phone. So you can share with the person so the person knows how to do it all by himself. Alright guys, so smash the subscribe button if this is your first time on my YouTube channel and you love what you just watched. Smash the subscribe button, click on the notification bell sign so you get notified each time I upload another brand new update. So guys, I see you guys again in the next video. Bye.